I presently work for Goodman Fielder for Quality Bakers Auckland, the bread site in Auckland, where I am the quality manager. I've been in this role for 3 years. A day-to-day could involve just investigating a customer complaint, checking on compliance to procedures, problem solving, those sorts of things. I started off with a food technology degree at Massey, and then from that, sort of over the summers, tried out different things in terms of product development, quality, sensory, and I ended up just really enjoying the quality side because it's black and white, like you know what you need to do, but also when you look at like the day-to-day, no day can be the same, and it's kind of getting to like think out of the box to solve problems. Working in a production side, like you get a lot of interactions with different types of people, and sometimes it's just having a good chat with somebody on the floor and like, hey, I've got a problem, let's fix it, how can I help you? And just seeing the products being made, or just seeing it come from like this wet dough piece that goes through the different stages, and how it's just like this perfectly soft loaf of bread. I think it's just like those little improvements that you get to make. Like I have like this one thing on the plant where it's just like it's the most tiniest problem, but every day I see my solution and I'm like, I fixed that problem that was, causing us pain for so long. And just that we're just part of this big picture of making food that people eat and enjoy each day.